Welcome to Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. We're starting the Platinum Wash package on this ZR1, which includes a foam wash, hand wash, engines. The foam pre-soak is essential. It safely encapsulates the dirt before we make contact. Then, using these specialized...
Let's get started. First, a hand wash with our signature Platinum Pomer to lift away even the toughest grime.
Make sure to proper the foam application over his rinsing techniques, wheel and tire cleaning, machine polishing, and ceramic coating. Only the exterior is being detailed and no doors are open during the process.
To completed exterior detailing. When this is the most meticulous work on a spec gun, it's flawless finish. And then we're coming with an upcoming the gain center interior detailing process. You can get also that the interior access will fall. We start with interior vacuuming and then meticulously clean the door panels. Next, we condition the left.
Starting with a thorough vacuum, removing every speck of dust. Next, we tackle the door panels, ensuring every surface is pristine. Conditioning the luxurious
Platinum package. Use a thorough vacuuming and just line it to get drained cleaner in with a microfiber cloth in the carpet thin form and get carpet cleaning steps about the back of a Platinum towel. The finished results of the Platinum package detail up the caregiver the paint, wheels, and trim, that the glossy with the interior is part of the premium wash package. Then once the premium wash piece under the premium wash package